How to go eco using eco-friendly products and tools. So today I'm going to go through what products I use and how they're implemented in the things that I clean throughout my home. So I use the Cleaning Fairies products. It's www.thecleaningfairies.com.au. It's all eco-friendly source cleaning products that smell amazing, infused with essential oil. When it comes to home cleaning, you can either make your own DIY cleaning products using vinegar, bicarb and those sort of things. Otherwise, you can also source from the Cleaning Fairies. But the way we store our cleaning products is how you can go eco-friendly. So in my home, I use glass spray bottles. So they're reusable, they're cleanable, that sort of thing. They're not plastic. Obviously the spray trigger is plastic, but usually they last quite a long time if you buy good ones. I also source them from the Cleaning Fairies because their triggers are the best because they're cleaners, so they know. Also switching to reusable microfiber cloths is a good alternative rather than using paper towels and things that are disposable, that sort of thing. Also with like those pre-packaged cleaning wipes, I don't use them. I would prefer to use a microfiber cloth and some cleaning product. Choosing products that have recyclable or compostable on the packaging is a good alternative to go eco-friendly. Conserving water by using a bucket of water rather than running the tap continuously, filling the bucket full of water and using that water to accommodate for your cleaning. I like to use, rather than getting those plastic grout brushes, I use the Rubbermaid electric power scrubber. So they have interchangeable heads, so once that head is worn out, which they last quite long compared to the other alternative like the grout brushes, so it's just the head that you're replacing, so it's less having to recycle plastics. You can also consider using bamboo and wooden scrub brushes instead of plastic ones. Those plastic ones, they don't last that long and they're not much more efficient than the bamboo ones. When you switch eco-friendly, it can be kind of daunting because you're used to using like harsh chemical products that are going to do a really good job, but it's not necessarily the case. It depends on how you use your eco-friendly product as well. Like a lot of people will switch to bleach because they think it cleans better, but when it comes to grout and mold, it doesn't actually get rid of the mold per se, it just bleaches it. So you think it's clean, but it's not clean. So if you're using something with like a clove oil base, it actually eats at the mold and removes it. As long as you keep up your maintenance with the grout, it should stay mold free. So now I'm going to go through all the Cleaning Fairies products with you. So the all-in-one concentrate, I use the lemongrass scent because I just find it's the most freshest and nicest scent, and it's the most powerful in my opinion. But her scents are quite, all of them are really nice, even the fruit tingles I've used. If you're looking to source these products, I've got the links down below. You can use this product on any surface as it's classed as an all-purpose cleaner as well as a floor cleaner. So in the next video, I am using it in my spray mop. So I like to use it in my spray mop because it just makes the house smell absolutely amazing, and it also works really well. You can see it's pulling up all the dog hairs, all the little spots. And I'm using my Rubbermaid spray mop that has that little gritty part that works really well. If it doesn't, then I use my foot, as you can see here. It's just, yeah, the products are just amazing. And now here I'm using my all-time favorite sanitizer, which can be used on stainless steel, any glossy surfaces. I wouldn't use it on wood because it is an alcohol base, but it is peppermint, and there's also a spearmint scented version, which, yeah, it has alcohol and essential oil in it, and it just leaves a lovely smell and a lovely finish. I love using it on coffee machines, because it makes it looks amazing, and also in dish sinks and around the taps, which I'll show you here. So I just rub it along and it really pulls off anything that's stuck there and leaves a lovely shine. I also do use it on glass in the showers where the soap scum sits down the bottom. It works really well. With a little bit of pressure, it actually pulls it off. Now here is the grout cleaner that I mentioned at the start of the video. So it's got clove oil in it, which actually helps kill mold. So I'm also using my Rubbermaid power scrubber here, which works really amazingly when it comes paired with this product. It just, you can see it's just pulling up all the mold there. There's not really much there, but you can see it's getting whiter as I go through the tracks of the tiles. And it leaves a lovely smell too. It's quite a nice fresh smell compared to obviously bleach, and it's a lot safer because if you're using bleach in a shower or anything else chemical, you can actually get really sick from doing that. I've heard a number of stories of people passing out in their shower, which is terrible. I also use this grout cleaner around taps and things and around the sink, like the rim of the bottom part where the plug is, just because it gets rid of any mold build up around the edges there. You can also go to the extent of like winding the base of the taps up and doing underneath there, which I did that recently, so I didn't need to do that. And just around the little water faucet there. So now I'm going to be showing you the glass cleaner. So it's best used obviously with glass and mirrors and shower screens, but it can be used inside windows, stainless steel and taps. So it's a quite versatile product. It works quite well. I like to use this in conjunction with the peppermint sanitizer for soap scum on shower screens, and I can also use that on windows as well. Mr. Gloss is a lovely blend of coconut and linseed organic oil, along with an essential oil blend, which makes a great combination. You can use this on wood and stainless steel, leather, and all plastic surfaces to leave an amazing shine with an amazing scent. Best used with a microfiber polyester cloth or just any microfiber cloth.